Mahalo to Quince for sponsoring this video.
In today's video, I'm going to share with you guys some of my favorite things to bring with me to the beach. Right now, we're at Halikoa Hotel, right across from it, and then over to my right-hand side is the Hilton Hawaiian Village. If you're looking for a really nice beach area within the Waikiki area, this beach is going to be the widest stretch of beach within Waikiki. Now, if you're looking to swim, or if you are traveling with little ones that want to go into the water, but maybe you're not comfortable having them in open water ocean, over by the Hilton Lagoon, over by the Hilton Hawaiian Village, there is the Hilton Lagoon. It's a man-made saltwater lagoon that's about maybe hip deep if you're standing up and you're maybe about 5'10" or so. That is completely calm, just like a lake. That area is super popular with families or those who aren't necessarily strong swimmers and don't want to be in open water ocean. You can also, at the Hilton Village, at that lagoon area, rent stand-up paddle boards and other items such as beach chairs and umbrellas as well. So let's see, things that I would want to bring to the beach, especially here, knowing that the sun is incredibly strong here. First thing would be a very good beach bag. Second, I would say definitely want to make sure to bring some sunscreen and make sure that you do purchase reef-safe sunscreen. There's a few sunscreen ingredients that are not allowed in Hawaii because of the damage they do to the coral reefs. You can purchase sunscreen here. A bottle of sunscreen would probably run you around $10, maybe $15 or so, and would last you your entire vacation most likely. One mistake that I'll often see people who haven't been to Hawaii before is that they'll use sunscreen with a very low SPF. So some people I've seen use sunscreen at maybe an SPF 15, not realizing that that will do literally nothing for you here. I would normally wear at least an SPF 50, and I reapply, I would say, about every 45 minutes, especially if you're here during the hottest time of the day, which is around 11 a.m. until 2 p.m. Not too long ago, I went over to Chicago in the summer for Lollapalooza, for an event, a concert series, or festival, and I remember not wearing any sunscreen. It was midsummer and I was so worried that I was going to get sunburned because I'm so used to living here in Hawaii where I'm used to wearing SPF 50 all the time, and I didn't even get sunburn at all. So if you're from a place such as that, like in Chicago or one of the northern states, and you're not used to the strength of the sun here in Hawaii, make sure to wear SPF 30 at least, SPF 50, and you can purchase all that here. There's different brands you can purchase. If you are going on a snorkel boat tour, make sure that you get the sunscreen that's liquid, not the spray-on kind. A lot of snorkel boats won't let you use the spray kind on the boat unless you spray the sunscreen into your hand, because when you spray the sunscreen, it can get on the boat surface, making it a slip hazard, especially if there's a snorkel boat where there's kids. If they can slip on that area, it's not good for anybody. Another thing that I would say to bring, of course, bring a beach towel. If you're traveling to Hawaii, you don't necessarily have to bring those with you or pack those in your suitcase. You can purchase them at any of the ABC stores and also get that as a souvenir. If you're staying at a hotel, most hotels will offer beach towels that you can bring with you. Or if you're staying at an Airbnb, they'll also typically have beach towels as well. Another good option is to bring a sarong. If you're going to and from the beach, and the area that we're at right now, again, we're right across from the Halikoa Hotel and the Hilton Hawaiian Village. If you're out here on the beach for the day and maybe you wanted to go into one of the hotels to grab a bite to eat for lunch, you typically can't just wear your bikini or swimsuit inside. If you have a sarong, and then just walk in and have lunch. And then if you are at this beach area right across from us, Tropics restaurant is just right over here at the Hilton Hawaiian Village, and there's also a grab-and-go store if you want to get quick sandwiches, and there's also, of course, an ABC store as well. If you are coming to the beach here in Hawaii, you can't have alcohol over here on the beach. So if you have open containers, you could get ticketed. But if you did want to grab a cocktail or a mocktail, there's plenty of bars up and down the area as well as restaurants. If you're curious to see what other places you can go to eat at here in Waikiki that are oceanfront, you can check out the link in the description box below. We just recently did a video of 17 oceanfront restaurants or bars that you can check out here in the Waikiki area. Another thing that I would bring would be sunglasses. And I would definitely recommend getting Polarized sunglasses. This pair that I typically wear in most videos, it was about $15 online, and they are polarized. Especially if you're going on a boat trip, you want to make sure to get the polarized sunglasses. Now, I mentioned earlier in the video to have a really good beach bag. Because I will typically travel carry-on only, I very rarely will ever check a bag. I can't remember the last time I checked a bag. I try to bring beach bags or items that fold very flat and will fit in my carry-on. So this video is actually sponsored by Quince, and they have kindly gifted me this bag. This is a nylon bag. It's zipper. There's inside pockets as well, so you can put your cell phone, your sunscreen, and it's all very organized. What I also like most about this bag is it has the metal feet at the bottom. That way you can set your bag down on a surface such as that, and it won't damage the bag. Let's see, other things that I would recommend bringing. Let's see here. Definitely bring snacks, of course, to the beach. If you're staying in Waikiki and you haven't been here before, there's plenty of ABC stores throughout the Waikiki area where you can purchase snacks, drinks, bottled water, anything else that you need. If you're going to be out in the sun for the day, you can get a refillable water container such as the Hydro Flasks or the Iron Flask dupes. I would definitely recommend bringing that just because it does get really, really humid here. At the time of this filming, it is March. Temperature-wise, it's about 80 degrees, very comfortable to swim year-round here in Hawaii, but it does get very humid. So earlier in the day, we went and we filmed a video at Ala Shopping Center, and we had to stop and grab water because of the humidity as well. Let's see, other things that I would make sure to bring to the beach. I would definitely make sure to bring a hat. You can get either baseball hats, you can get the larger straw hats. If you're here during a Waikiki festival, they also sell the straw hats that you can purchase. You can get those as a souvenir, or you can also wear them as well. They're super popular here. And those will typically run anywhere from $15 to $40 depending on the style. Other things to bring, I would also bring maybe an extra change of clothes. If you're here at the beach for the entire day and then afterwards you want to go for dinner, you might want to get out of your wet swimsuit and change into some dry clothes. The most popular time of the day, I would say, to go to the beach is going to be 10 o'clock until about 5 o'clock. Sunset this time of year is going to be around 6:30 or 7 o'clock in the evening. Overall, lots of things you can bring. I've also got a few packing lists. If this is your first time in Hawaii, you can check out yestahawaii.com for more Hawaii content. I've listed out places to eat, where to stay, and things to do. If you're interested in having a Hawaii itinerary plan for you, check out the links in the description box below. I've got a few ready-made itineraries for the Waikiki area as well as just outside of Waikiki on popular things that you can do here in Hawaii. All right, guys, thanks so much, and on to the next one.
On this one-page planner, you have everything that you need where you can jot down your details for your hotel, rental car, tours and activities, things that you want to do, and a general itinerary.